Hi, this video shows how to change your domain or primary domain in Azure. So that's when we go to Azure and there we go to our Active Directory. Then we find in here the name of our, in the overview, we find the name of our directory. That's default, let's say in German. Therefore you may go to your properties. Where is my properties? Here are the properties, and there you may say this is my, let's say like my domain, let's say demo Azure, my demos and access management for Azure resources. Raymond Pop can manage access to all Azure subscription. Yes, that's okay. And its tenant, that's the Mandanten in German. So we say yes, and we want these ones to demos. So that's the name what we have here now. So we will see here that's this one should also refresh quite soon. Waiting now. The name of that stuff is demos. That's the primary domain, and there from the primary domain normally it's called demos in brackets, and then you see the name. For the primary domain you go to custom domain names, and there it's difficult to delete one. That's always difficult. You see when you go there and say you want to delete it, you will find a message that is default, that it's difficult. So the better way is that you when you are there, you might do it like this, that you go to manage tenants, and from there that you try to delete it, but it's a little bit difficult because you have to delete everything on there. It says the description says you have to delete all your when you want to delete it, you have to delete all your applications in there. Can't find it, but it was written in there. Let's see. No, there's no other entry in there. Can't show you, but it's difficult, believe me. So the better way is that you go to your Azure Active Directory again, and there in custom domains, if you don't like that name, then you say add a new custom name, and from there you connect everything on there on that custom name. So I would say here, this is my my demos for RP, like this one, demo extension, demos, and then on Microsoft, on Microsoft.com, you see can't be removed. So I would say demos on Microsoft.com, and we say add, and now we have this new demos on Microsoft.com is in use by another tenant. So okay, this was not possible. We say it once again, demos demo Kodoku, demo code on micro demos 2023 on Microsoft.com. So we have this one, and this one should be better. Demo, let's say only demo or demos is in use. Isn't it terrible? Once again we say these ones, and finally when we have done this, then we will be able to switch everything to this new domain. That's what I want to say.